We're live with the WhatsApp. Go ahead.
Okay, guys. I am here to speak about something very dear to my heart. I'm going to be starting a support group for PMDD. PMDD is Premenstrual Dysphoric disorder. It is a chronic hormonal disorder in which certain women that are menstruating have an abnormal reaction to their reproductive hormones within their bodies, and it's pretty much intense. About 2 weeks before your period, you start to have like psychological symptoms and some physical symptoms such as crippling anxiety, mood swings, and just chronic depression. Now, it's nothing like PMS. PMDD is on a whole nother level. It's very underrepresented in the medical field, of course, because it's a women's disorder. And a lot of doctors and a lot of gynecologists, psychologists dismiss the disorder, and men and women are suffering. So my goal is to actually start a support group for all of us to come together and just heal. This is a safe space for all of the survivors and also family members or people taking care of us, and it's very hard to cope with this disorder. So that is why I'm trying to create this space for it. And
Where is it going to be?
Where is it going to be, Arnold?
You want to have it here?
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah,
Mr. Arnold
Absolutely.
is gonna, let me his cafe, and we could host one of the events here.
Yeah.
So we could all just fellowship here. This is a space that has a lot of love, a lot of positivity. So I think this will actually
Oh, good. Super exciting.
be a great space.
My goal is no disease.
No disease, right?
That's my goal. No disease, no crime. Mental hospitals closed down.
Yeah.
A lot of it, I think, is diet, but a lot of it is self-love.
Self-love, yeah.
Me, myself, and I.
Yeah, oh yeah. I remember we were talking about that, but yes, thank you so much, Arnold. See, I didn't even know. So even better. So you get to come here, you get to eat delicious, healthy food, and talk to like-minded people who are on the same journey as you.
What day are you going to make it, or?
What day I'm gonna make it? It's gonna be once a week. Right now, like I said, only 3 to 8% of women are suffering from PMDD.
How many?
3 to 8%. So it's a small percentage.
Yes.
So I'm trying to gather everybody within like the Pennsylvania area, so we can come together and find a meeting place. One of the meeting places could be here, like you said,
Absolutely.
Arnold's Way Cafe. You're gonna post the flyer on your page, and my phone number is there.
Yeah.
My contact information, so you could just call me or text me anytime and reach out to me.
Put the information down. It'll be enclosed in Instagram and Facebook.
Okay. So he's gonna put on Facebook. He's gonna put on Instagram.
Yeah.
And I urge you, ladies, if you think you even have this disorder, many women don't even know they have it. They just know around the time, of their cycle, they're having these symptoms, and they're not even aware. So I advise you to be more in tune with your body, to document, and just, be more introspective. And if you know someone, or if you are that person that's suffering,
A lot of women suffer from it.
A lot of women suffer from it.
A lot of women.
Yes.
Hear that, men? A lot of women suffer from it.
Yes.
So it's not your wife's fault, your girlfriend's fault. It's they suffer from it.
Yeah, and it's not a choice. So they're not just having PMS. They're not just having an attitude. This is their hormones doing this to their body. So this is chronic. This is a chronic illness, okay? And women are suffering in silence. So I want you guys to come out of the shadows, to take your healing, take on the fight and just come and join other women who are also on the same path as you, on the same journey. And I can't wait to meet all of you guys, and especially at Arnold's Way. So thank you so much, Arnold, for lending me your platform and just reach, your Instagram followers. He's very popular, so I had to come on here.
That's okay.
Yeah, so remember, PMDD support group at Arnold's Way Cafe once a week. Reach out to me. The flyer will be on the page, and just call me or text me anytime, okay?
Okay.
All right. Thank you, guys.
Bye.